Everyone. Today I'm super excited to show you the new Motiva one-day send time optimization. We're very excited about offering this feature so that you can optimize your time-sensitive urgent campaigns that just have to get out the door and you just don't have 3 to 7 days to use the regular Motiva Send Time AI to send your email. It's very easy to configure. It's built into the same step that you've already been using. So you'll find it in the campaign steps down in the Motiva Send Time AI step in the purple. You just drag it onto the canvas. You double click and click the pencil icon to configure. It's the same step, so the configuration is almost exactly the same with just one difference. You still put a name in so that you can create a Motiva report in the Motiva platform for the email step. You still select an email asset from your Eloqua asset library. The only difference is that when you choose when this email should be sent, there is now a new button that you can click here to use one-day optimization. Turn it on just by clicking it. And when this is enabled, it means that we're going to find the best send time for each individual contact in the segment within a 24-hour period. So when contacts hit the step, we're going to find the best send time for each contact within that 24-hour period. If you do not select an end date, all contacts will receive that email within 24 hours. So if the contacts hit the step at 12 noon on one day, all the contacts will finish receiving emails by the following day at 12 noon. If you want to have an end date and you want to make sure that those contacts, all the contacts in the segment, receive the step within a calendar day, then you can select that calendar day and it will make sure that contacts receive the email by the end of that day. So if contacts hit the step at 12 noon on February 19th, it will finish sending by midnight, February 19th. And we'll find the best send time within that 12 hours that you've given us. You can also restrict the send window, for example, between 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. So if you only want contacts to receive an email within a specific period of time during the day, you can add that configuration here. Otherwise, if you select no, then it will go the full 24 hours. Obviously, the more time you give us, the better optimization we can give you. The more data we're able to use, the better the bump in engagement you'll see from the optimization. So as much as possible, give us the full 24 hours. Otherwise, everything about this configuration is exactly the same. You still have frequency management. You still have your Eloqua settings. Remember that when you make any changes, there's that load circle is going to appear and disappear. So make sure to take a pause after you make a change, let that load circle disappear so the configuration is automatically saved, and then you can exit out. And really, it's that simple, just that one simple button that you have to click so that you can enable the one-day send time optimization. We're very excited to finally release this to you and for you to use this with your time-sensitive urgent campaigns. It can be used as a batch and blast to send just one email immediately. It can also be used in nurture settings if you want nurtures to move a little faster and you don't have the full 7 days to be able to spread out your sends.